Today's gonna be exciting. Alright, good morning, boys. So, as you guys saw, something special did come in today. Something that you guys have been wanting. I've been wanting it too. And let's just say it's going to make the car a bit louder. So, let's go pick up the package and then we'll see if we install it right away. So, I'll see you guys then when I get the package. Alright, so we picked up the package. As you guys can obviously see, it's VRSF Downpipes. When we go to install it, I'll kind of explain what I went with. So, right now I'm going to call Javier and see if he's awake. He was very excited to see that I got the downpipes, so I'm going to see if he's down to install them. So, let's call him. No way this guy's sleeping still, bro.
I'm sorry, the person you were trying to reach has...
Javier, wake up. Yo.
What?
Why are you sleeping, bro?
No.
So the downpipes are in.
Oh shit. You gotta pick me up.
Alright, I'll be there. So we're gonna go pick up Javier real quick and then we're gonna go to his mom's house and install it there because there's more space. So I'll see you guys then. Alright, so I picked up Javier. Right now we're at his mom's house. So real quick, we're gonna do a quick rev so you guys hear the before and after. So I'm gonna give it to Javier.
This is gonna be Sport Plus.
Wait, hold on.
Do one more. I'm gonna do like a close-up. That's Sport Plus for you guys.
So now we're just gonna wait, let the car sit for a little bit so the downpipes cool down so we don't burn each other. So once it's done, we'll come back out and then we'll start.
Burn each other?
Yeah, what the hell? Alright, so we're gonna let the car sit for a little bit just so it cools down so we don't get burned or anything. So we'll be right back when we get all the tools set up and the jacks. Alright, so we just finally...
Wait. I already have it.
Okay.
There you go.
Alright, so we just finally jacked up the car, as you can see. Car is jacked up, on ramps, and we're gonna be right there.
So the car's on ramps, but we didn't drove it on the ramps. We had to jack the car up. Somebody lifted the wheel, put the ramp in, lower it, and then do the same thing on the other side.
Yeah, I love that.
Because Rance is a stance boy.
So the car's been sitting for a little bit, so let's just open it and see what it looks like. What is this?
Oh, we got a paper.
It's just shipment stuff from here.
And stickers over here. Oh wow, fancy looking box.
Wow.
We're getting fancy now.
Woo! This time
Whoa.
Wow! Hey, where are my stickers? Oh, let's put down the stickers. Yo, the welding's super good. Look at this, where they welded the logo.
Alright, let's put it down. That looks pretty good. Pretty good welds.
Alright guys,
Two sensors.
hold on. Javier's gonna give us a quick demonstration of what the downpipe's gonna sound like.
Watch this sound better on the car. Imagine.
Alright, Javier, ready, set.
Bro, you're really gonna make
Do
me
a
do
quick
this?
pull, bro. Do a quick pull.
Alright, get in. 40 or 20 roll?
Yeah, 40.
40 roll? With the anti-lag or no?
Yeah, higher RPMs.
Kick up.
Yo, dap. Okay, so first thing is you want to disconnect these cables for the O2 sensors. These right here, they're gonna be right under right there. You take them off the clamps and then you just disconnect them. That's the first thing you want to do, just to make it easier on yourself. You can kind of barely see it, but okay, so we're gonna have to take this one off, and then there's one back there that I can't really get it to freaking focus on, but we'll show you when we take it off.
So I'm pretty sure most of you guys might be able to have one of these adapter. Is kind of like a 90, and then you put the socket on this side and the wrench on this side. This works, but I'm gonna try to use, I have a D-Wall 90. This is more like a perfect 90 with the 13 mil. That's the socket that we're gonna use for the clamps, and then this is the stanchions for the drill if you need a bigger stanchion or a smaller stanchion. So we're gonna try it this way first. I know that works because I already tried, but I'm gonna try with this one. That way I don't have to use the wrench.
Make sure to spray a lot of WD-40.
Yeah, we sprayed, as you can see right here, WD-40. So we make sure nothing snaps on us or anything. And then we'll get back to you guys when we undo them. Alright, so I actually went and got our goggles because, you know, we ain't no freaking rookies,
We're
bro.
trying to make it out of 2020.
Yeah. So we actually got the bolt in the back, the one that we couldn't see. Let me see what I can show you from.
Like I said, if you have one of these, this is the best tool ever. Like if you have a drill bit, if you're using a drill and you don't have a 90, go get a 90.
Yeah, go get a
Like
90.
it took me 2 seconds to take that off, and most of the people that I heard, they're like, "Oh my god, it spent like 30 minutes." It took me 2 seconds. You can ask Brian to take that off. And now we are going to take this one right here off too. But this one might be a bigger one because it's on the other side. So we'll take this one off first. We're gonna try to disconnect the exhaust from the downpipe here, and then we're gonna wiggle it and take it on the top.
Yeah. Hey, the 90, it'll be in the description. Alright, so we just took the second bolt off. Bolt is right here. Just to show you guys. So this part is like this was like a washer, right?
Yeah, it's kind of like a spacer / washer. This is the washer. So this is what holds. Once I get the clamp off, you're gonna. I don't really want to take it off, but here, so they can see it. It has the shape of the clamp. It's that little washer on the bolt. This one, and that's what helps the clamp be like really tight. As you can see on one side, it already has a shape. And then all you do is just, once you're gonna put it back, just put it, make sure these two are the same way inside of the clamp, and then just tighten it in. And that's it.
And the downpipe is basically off.
And that's the clamp.
Here's the clamp.
Okay, now let's take the top clamp off.
Alright, so as you guys can see, downpipe is coming off. We're just kind of running into right here this clamp. We're gonna freaking have to undo the 2 screws so we can move this clamp so we can take the downpipe easier out. Because right now, you know, yeah, it's getting stuck. So.
Okay.
Done?
Yeah. Ow. My hair's probably like so fucked.
Yeah.
Bro, I swear, guys, anybody comments about my hair, you guys are getting blocked.
Alright, so downpipe is out, and this is the comparison right now. Obviously, new one, old one.
Garbage? Not garbage.
Not garbage, but you know, less fat.
Now we're gonna take the O2 sensors off, put them in this beast of downpipe, right, Brian?
Yes.
Also, if you need a plug, if you don't want to use your O2 sensor, you don't have to, right? We're not gonna put them in, but you know, it's less weight, right,
Not
Brian?
required.
Yeah. You don't want your downpipes to have O2 sensor. What do you need those for?
Don't even work.
Yeah. Do them one at a time so we don't get confused and get that one and put it in here. First things first, we need, where's the WD-40? Anybody seen the WD-40?
Anybody?
Ask them if they seen the WD-40.
Have you seen that? You seen the WD-40, bro? Alright, so we just finished right now. We're gonna turn on the car and see how it sounds.
We
Ready?
just push it. You
Yeah,
don't see it inside,
yeah,
it's because we push it.
We moved it a little
Alright,
bit.
Trying to get that angle. You want me to give you a count from 3 or 5?
3.
Alright, 5. So 3, 2, 1. Ooh! Yo, what? This sounds mad. What do you think?
I wanna hear it, that's what I think.
Yo, what? What a difference. Give it a couple reps. Just a little ones, little ones. Go forward a little bit, just making an echo. Keep going. Alright, right there. Give me a little rep.
Alright, I'm gonna put it on sports. Alright, let me see it, rev it.
Yo, that sounds loud.
Go rev it yourself.
Wait, get your reaction.
Oh damn! Oh damn! That shit is way louder.
Yo, and it sounds like deeper too.
That shit is way louder. Alright, let's go. Let's take it for a spin.
It sounds better. But dude, it sounds like better.
Yeah, it sounds.
It sounds
deeper.
different.
It sounds deeper.
Yeah, it sounds like more like a deeper sound.
It sounds like the same, but like deeper, like rougher. I don't know how to explain it.
Sounds like the car's mad. That's a lot better.
And the pops are louder.
Yeah.
Way louder. What the?
Before we made like little pops.
Yeah, like ooh, the pops are way louder.
No, and it's gonna get louder.
Like I said, it feels deeper. Yeah, dude, no, way louder. What the hell? It is way louder. All right, guys. So now we're gonna have I'm gonna have Javier give it a test drive, see what he thinks. Hopefully, we don't get too much wind noise.
You're on the intake with the exhaust now.
Front Sports. So it's daily approved.
Yeah. It's Javier approved for sure.
Alright, I'm gonna do a quick pull before the battery dies. My guy.
Let's wait for everybody to
Let's see if
leave.
we make it. We'll see if we make it.
We'll do it in a second.
Front Sports then.
You say?
Yeah, you're good.
My God, you heard that, bah?
I didn't.
You didn't? It was
I
one
guess
pop.
I
It
was
went,
caught.
whoa.
I think I was caught in the moment.
Bah, boy. You didn't hear it?
I was caught in the moment.
Dude, I went. Bah.
And all
What?
I can think of was Javier said let's do it in second because he didn't want to miss second.
No, I don't want to. Bro, you want me to do it in first?
Okay.
No, because I wanted to do like brake boosting. Dude, when you brake boost these cars, like my car, every time I brake boost it, it's like a whole beast. You felt it, right?
Yeah, I
And then
felt
it's
it
like
pulling.
Instant.
The camera's about to die, so we're gonna do a quick outro before it dies. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment any questions or anything. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.